All right, we are finishing up the selfie stick assembly. If you notice the assembly that we worked on the Friday before break, it was missing this piece right here, and so we're gonna walk through how you find that. So you're gonna follow these instructions right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and copy that part number so that I don't have to go back and forth to type it. So we are going to go into Fusion where we already have the selfie stick uploaded, and hopefully you already have it mostly assembled. And you're going to go to this Insert tab, and you're going to say Insert from McMaster Car Component. And in the Find section, that's where you're going to paste that number, and it's going to pull up this part. Okay, but we're not ordering it for purchase. We want to download the file. So when you go to Product Detail and scroll down all the way, you want to save this as a 3D step file. So you have to make sure you select that one and select Save. And then it's going to automatically add it into the file with all of the other parts. It might take a moment. And now here it is, and I'm going to move it away from the other parts so I can differentiate between them. And you're going to select OK. And now you just need to add the correct assembly so that you can complete your selfie stick.